What's a way to just be competent? These two instincts ruin my life.